wouldn't say they're wrapped excellently. Oh, they've just been chucked in. Here we go. Oh, that one's. Yeah, cool. Will we put the page number here and then assign it here? Let's do that. This is number 1 of 200. There we go, give that a slap to dry the ink. First one down, 200 to go. Put it in the box that way. Make extra sure. Yeah, this needs to be taped all the way around the edge because it's gappy. Yeah, that stops the book rattling around inside. Yep. And we label. The label's got the number of the book on it. Customs. Where's all the there we go, customs. Because this one's going to Ireland, the very first one. There we go. Job done. Right, we're starting deliveries now. Everything come in all of a rush. I didn't have time to do any more YouTube updates, but we started delivering yesterday. People should start getting their tracking numbers, especially if you're in the States, over this next week. We're just batch sending them. The book will launch on Amazon, so if you don't want to pay the extra and you can get it, you've got Amazon Prime, you get free postage. That goes live on 16th of March. I'll send links and I'll do an update for that. We're just about there now. Thanks again for everybody who bought pre-orders. They kind of saved my bacon a bit there. And then from there, we'll look at phase 2, which is the QR codes. All QR web pages are done. I just need to upload some stuff. And what I'm going to upload is CAD files, PDFs, video tutorials. So I'll have a whole bunch of them to go up. And what else is there? Oh, dome calculation tools as well. So, and rescaling tools, things like that. We've got some coding to do and some work to do on that. So I've kind of planned that for the next year. But I'll get some information up online, and what I'll do is I'll replace this page, the send you out page, with a QR code page, so you'll know all the ones. There'll be a list of all the ones that have been updated and when they are freshly updated, so you'll be able to go there from the book. Okay, back to posting.